Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Is your Epson printer showing error E-01? The error comes due to a jammed paper or a printer needs a restart. For a one-on-one assistance to fix the issue, please call us at the numbers displayed. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the error step by step. So let's get started. Method 1. Restart printer. Turn off your printer. Turn it on again. If restarting the printer fixed the issue, please subscribe to our channel. Also, for more videos on Epson printer, please let us know in the comments below. Now let's remove any jam paper. Method 2. Check for paper jams. Go to your printer, then open the front cover and lift the scanner unit. Look inside for any jam paper and slowly take it out. Once that's done, close the scanner unit and the front cover. Now, go to the rear paper cassette and lightly remove the jammed paper. Ensure that the papers are being fed properly. If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.